Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your iPhone voice memos into MP3 format, quickly and without needing iTunes. MP3 is one of the most universally used audio formats, but for some reason Apple doesn't make it straightforward to convert voice memos. But don't worry, I've got a simple method that'll work perfectly. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your voice memo is ready to go. Open the Voice Memos app and locate the recording you want to convert. Open the Voice Memos app, select the recording, tap the three-dot menu, More Options. From the menu, tap on Share and select Save to Files. This is super important because we need the file in the iOS Files app for the next steps. Choose a location like Downloads or On My iPhone and make sure you remember where you saved it. Next, download a free app called File. This app has a built-in browser that we'll use to convert your voice memo to MP3. Open the App Store. Search for Files. Tap Download. Once installed, open the app. And check your file. After that, go to your any browser. Search for Convert.io or any other file conversion site. Don't worry about ads that may pop up, just close them. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to upload files. Tap on Choose Files, and when prompted, choose Browse. This will open the iOS Files app. Find the voice memo you saved earlier and select it. Locate and select your voice memo from the Files app. Now, make sure you choose MP3 as the output format. Some sites allow you to tweak settings like bitrate or audio channels, but for most cases, the default settings will work perfectly. When you're ready, click Start Converting. Once the conversion is done, you'll see a download button. Tap it, and your newly converted MP3 file will save directly into the Files app. Click Download. Check the Documents app to find the MP3 file. And that's it! You've successfully converted your iPhone voice memo into an MP3. From here, you can share it via AirDrop, email it, or use it in your projects. I hope this tutorial helped you convert your Apple voice memos into MP3s effortlessly. If you found this guide useful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.